Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to unmute notes on Instagram. So go ahead and open your Instagram account. So let's tap the search bar on the upper part of your screen and then write, or you can search the person that you have muted their story. So from that person's profile, tap following, and then you'll be able to see there the word mute. Tap on it and their options. You can mute their posts, their stories, and notes. Note that Instagram will let that person know that you have muted them. So since the notes here are, or it's muted, so you can just toggle that off for you to be able to see their notes or unmute their notes. So let's try this. So let's try searching that person again and see if their name on their notes appeared. So let's go to the messages. So as you can see, this person's Sherry Shay. We can see their notes. But let's try to mute or toggle that mute button on again. So go ahead and turn that on. And then let's go back to our messages screen. So let's tap on it and then you'll be able to see there the name disappeared. It means you have muted them. So that's the process of unmuting notes on Instagram. If you find this helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe.